Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Doordash location. Now this will be a very quick and easy video, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can do this on both desktop and mobile, so it doesn't actually matter which device you're on. I'm going to show you every single way we can do this. So to start with, I'm going to first show you how we can do it on the website, and what you first have to do is obviously head over to doordash.com, and once you're on here we can just go into the top left corner and we should be able to see our location somewhere around there, and as you can see mine says New York. So in order to actually change this location, we'd first have to click on it to drop this down, and then we can either add an address or edit this one. So let's just say we wanted to edit this one. We can go to this recent one here, and then we can go to this pen just over to the right hand side. And when we click on that, it'll actually give us the option to change it. So we can either adjust the pin and kind of update it that way. If it's only like 1 or 2 houses off, you could just do something like that and save. However, if you wanted it to be exact, you obviously want to type in your apartment/suite, the entry code and the building name. And then you can choose whether you wanted it left at your door or handed to you. And then from there, you can save your address and that address will be saved. Now, if you needed to add a new one, it's as simple as typing in here. And as you can see, it'll bring open this drop down of different locations, and you can just choose whichever one that you are staying at. Now, as I said, I'm also going to show you how to do it on the mobile as well. So if you were to do that, you'd first open up the Doordash app, and then if you head into the bottom right corner down here, you will see this option that says account. So you click on that, and then the second option down should be addresses. So you can click on that, and just like on the website, we can either add a new address or edit our current one. So if we wanted to just add one, we can simply search it in this search bar right here. However, if we wanted to edit an address that we currently have, just like last time, we just have to click that pen, and then you'll see a screen like this which you can edit, and then you'll be able to change the details about the address, and then you can also choose the drop-off options. And then when you're happy with that, you can go ahead and click save address. And then from there, you can go ahead and place your Doordash order, and the location will have updated and it will be delivered to the new address that you just added. So that's exactly how you can change your Doordash location. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.